Ew.
Who's in it?
It's not a Tuma. Way before you were born.
Yeah, I was like in the early 90s.
I was 6'1". I was older than everybody in my class.
And
Ain't nobody else.
what are you going to do when you're in high school? Are you going to be buying all the kids cigarettes and stuff?
No.
I was the youngest in my
That's
class.
what he's gonna be the hookup.
Yeah. Lottery tickets and cigarettes.
No, I'm not.
You better not smoke.
Yeah. Yeah, you better not.
Look at that poofy hair.
Mommy, you